Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Well, the other day we left about doing a whole recipe singing. So we're gonna try and do that today.
We're gonna sing some show tunes on a Friday. We're gonna have some fun with this. You're cracking some eggs right about now to make some fun. And how do we do the next step? Yes, we're gonna sing show tunes on Friday. And this could go horribly wrong. Yeah, what are we doing next with the eggs? Come on, sing along. Your turn.
Well, I've hard-boiled my eggs for 10 minutes flat. I cooled them down under running water, and that's... How do I rhyme that? And now I'm just shelling my eggs. And I've got really stuck from here. But first of all, I need to tell you the rules of this game. We have to not stop singing whatever we do. And I'm making my famous deviled eggs, so you need to keep watching it too.
And you can sing along on a Friday, along on a Friday, along with a song about eggs. You can sing along on a Friday, along on a Friday. Look, she's got some legs because that rhymes with eggs. And there may be other words we're singing along as we're singing a song on a Friday. What are we doing next? What's next with the egg? I see you cutting it in half.
I am. Now, first of all, we need to say that there is no competition. Oh, we're allowed to rap?
No, you can't even stop talking.
Sorry, I messed that up. You can tell I'm obvious not drunk enough. Or at all,
Okay.
for that matter. So, after you've boiled your eggs and cooled them down to where you're not going like this, you need to cut them long ways, not that way, but long ways. And watch this.
And she's slicing the egg in half. Hello, Melanie, thanks for joining us.
Melanie, please be singing at home.
And she's taking out the yolk.
Into a sieve, over a bowl.
Over a bowl. Just the yolk,
Just
not
the yolk.
the eggs.
Oh, I broke my egg.
She broke her egg, but don't worry, everybody.
Now this is the
Don't
fun
worry about
bit.
The eggs, they're okay.
We get to mush the yolk.
This is
And this
ongoing.
stops it from getting all the lumps and bumps. So you don't have to work too hard.
There we go, there's the egg.
Now
There's
as
Oh, wait,
per
it's a happy song all of a sudden.
you can double or triple or quadruple this recipe. Just depends how many eggies you actually want to eat.
Well, that was a nice rhyming song. And let's kick this up a notch.
Okay.
How we going over there?
So I've got some butter.
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 Nothing but butter will do.
You can't have anything better than butter.
I got some butter, but not too much. Otherwise it will feel like you're just eating butter.
Hello, Melanie Bailey. Yes, we can say hi to you too. We got Melanie Black and Melanie Bailey watching us singing the song. Mrs. Rogers, a musical, why don't you sing along? Alana's gonna join in too while she's sitting there at home as we're blending up our eggs. And why don't you sing along?
Now this is the really important part, the part with all the flavor.
Flavor! Can I get a flavor?
Flavor!
Flavor!
Oh dear.
We haven't even been drinking.
I have some Kashmiri masala powder. Can you sing that with me?
Kashmiri masala powder. I said authentic Kashmiri masala powder.
This sounds like a service on Sunday.
Melanie's saying flavor. Flavor.
Hell, Mrs. Rogers.
Suddenly turned into a gospel musical. Not sure why. Perhaps that's why we like it so much.
And a little bit of salt.
Can I get a little bit of salt?
And a little bit of pepper.
And I get a little bit of pepper there.
And a little bit of mushing.
Mushing.
And a little bit of stirring.
Stirring.
And a little dribble of milk. I don't know how much. You're just gonna have to be clever.
You're gonna have to be clever about the milk.
So you can see it's all lumpy and bumpy and mushy. I'm gonna make it into smooth and milky.
Milky.
A little bit at a time.
Alana bought a salt shaker the other day.
Oh, Atlanta, your world will change.
She went down to the shops and she got herself a salt shaker. Shaking the soul, 1, 2, 3. Shaking the soul along with me. Pick up your pepper, pick up your salt. Shake along, 'cause that's what we're doing on Friday. On Friday, sing along now on Friday. It's Show Tunes Friday. Back to the eggs, back to the eggs. We're mushing up the eggs, we're mushing up the eggs.
So you can see that it's nice and creamy. It's not even sticking to my spoon. And at this point, it's really important that you need to taste to see if you need more salt or pepper.
What's it like?
It's good.
It's good.
Now, because I put my gooby lips on this one, I'm going to get another one out of the drawer. And then I'm going to fill my eggs with this stuff. Now, you can be pretty if you want to and make it into a piping bag and squish it out like you would. I just like to shove it in.
Shove in the egg. Get it right in there. Alana didn't sleep last night, so we're keeping her awake as she's trying to go to sleep during the day because she didn't sleep last night because the hot water cylinder started leaking. Oh, Alana, that doesn't sound good. That sounds bad. That sounds really, really bad. You know what? You should make some deviled eggs. Deviled eggs makes everything good.
So now don't worry that this guy's broken, because we are gonna put the stuff in anyway, and it kind of sticks it together.
Look at that.
Now you want to stick them in the fridge to chill.
Chill.
You want to eat it.
Eat them.
And then you eat it.
Eat them.
And that's it.
And that's our Friday.
So we need to wrap up. We did some eggs.
We're doing wrapping as well. No, not wrap up. No, we're not doing wrapping.
Oh, no, we're just
doing
not doing
wrapping.
why are you talking?
W-R-A-P-P-I-N-G.
So I'm wrapping up my recipe. I'm still obviously doing the gospel side of things. You get some eggs, you hard boil them for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Run them under some cold running water till you can hold them. Then crack their shells, cut them long ways, get the yolk out, sieve it so it's smooth. 'Cause there's nothing worse than chunky bits of yolk in your deviled egg.
Maybe.
Put some Kashmiri masala powder.
And what is it again?
Kashmiri masala powder.
Sing it loud.
Kashmiri masala powder. Sorry.
It was awesome. Okay, we're going to finish that now. Okay, that was fun. Thank you everyone for watching.
We haven't even been drinking.
That was just a bit of fun because someone said we should do a show tune.
So not only have we done deviled eggs like we promised, we did show tunes Friday.
Thanks, Alana.
We haven't even had a glass of wine.
Oh, we deserve one though. Sorry for putting you through that. You should...
That's my deviled egg recipe, guys.
Have a good weekend as well.
Good weekend, and like, share, because this will be funny.
This will be funny.
Imagine if it went viral. That'd be so... Oh
it's
my
not going to
God.
go viral.
That'd be
There's no
good.
way that that's going to happen.
Because that's embarrassing.
It is. Well done.
Anyway, I want to see you later.
Thanks, Lorraine.
Next week, I'm doing lots of Easter stuff, but not your normal kind of hot crap buns and Easter stuff. So come and see me right here in my kitchen.
And we won't be singing.
We won't be singing.
See you later.